Hello friends, my name is Namita Devi and I welcome you to my Excel club. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get the current date on your worksheet regardless of when you open the workbook. For example, if I'm opening my workbook today, it should show me the date of today, and when I open it tomorrow, it should show me the date of tomorrow. So we have a beautiful function in Excel which is known as today function, which will fulfill our requirement. So let's see how it works. Today function is very straightforward. It has no arguments, so you can directly write the formula in this cell. So let's say I write equal to today bracket open close and then press enter. It is giving me the date of today as per my system. So my system says the date of today is 29th of April 2021. So it is returning me the same date. You can also add days to this current date by using equal to today. If I write plus 5, it will add 5 days to the current date, which is 4th of May. You can also get the current year by writing equal to year and then write today function. The red highlighted brackets are for today function and I am closing the bracket for the year. Press enter. It is giving me the current year. You can get the current month equal to month today and press enter. It is giving me the fourth number and April month is on the serial number 4. And for date, you can also get the current date. Do not write DATE, it is DAY day, today, and then press enter. You will get the current date. So in my system, it is 29th. So it is giving me the 29th April. One very beautiful example of today wherein you can use it is when you want to calculate the elapsed time between today and the date when an event occurred. For example, I have some reports to be delivered to my client on 25th of April, which is gone. And I want to know how many days has been elapsed. So you can write here equal to today minus this current date. Sorry, this the date that has event has occurred, and press enter. You are getting it in the date format because by default Excel takes the today function in the date format. You can change the format from here. Text. So it is giving me 4 days. 4 days has been elapsed. So this is all about the today's function of Excel. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.